Hello and welcome. My name is Jacob. This is TradeHappy, a platform for traders around the world to be happy and consistently profitable. Today, we're going to be talking about the difficulties with trading and Forex trading and what I personally struggle with, and I know that a lot of other traders struggle with as well. We've got 5 points to cover, so make sure that you stick around to get all those 5 points. And if you've enjoyed the video, remember to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button because I try and keep these videos as short as possible. The first point is believing in your strategy. So obviously there's a lot of strategies out there that you can trade, and there's a lot of people showing strategies that could be profitable for them, but if you trade that same strategy that they trade, with your psychology and your style of trading, you might not find that that strategy is profitable. So find the strategy that you'd like to trade and that you've back tested, and remember to stick with it and believe in it. So the next point leads on from that, which is believing in your strategy, having the patience to stick with it because you've got that belief in the first place. A lot of the time you'll probably find the strategy, test it, and it'll be profitable. And as soon as you start to get a few losses, or you get really good winners, you'll change the strategy to try and get more winners or reduce the losses, or chase the losers that you've had previously. So just remember that when you're actually having a strategy, to stick with the strategy and have the patience to follow the strategy in the first place. So in terms of the next point, it kind of leads on, but it's also something that a lot of traders struggle with, which is following a risk management plan. It's very easy to have a strategy that's profitable, and if you don't have the correct risk management when following that strategy, you can find that you can have losses that are bigger than your winners, and you'll end up chasing those losers to get the money back, and inevitably blow the account. So remember that when you are trading that similar strategy, or that same strategy that you have been trading for a while, on a demo account hopefully, if you are testing it, to stick with the risk management plan that you've set that is profitable. Because once you start deviating from that strategy, you might find that you go down a path that you don't want to go down. The next point is to forget about social media. Obviously there's a lot of traders on social media that are showing massive profits with tiny accounts, and that kind of links in with the risk management, because if you see a trader with a tiny account making lots of money and risking a lot of their capital per trade, you might want to do that yourself because you think that you can make money like them and you can easily trade because you've got the special strategy that wins every time. So just remember that social media is not something that you want to be copying, but learning from instead. And this kind of leads on to the next point, which is forget about doubling your account every week. Obviously on social media, as I just said, there's a lot of people showing they can double their account in a week or even a day. And it's not a goal that you should have, because it's not something that you can keep for the long term. You need to have a percentage in mind that you want to make every single month, and if you reach that percentage before the end of the month, you can just stop trading if you want to, because you've reached that goal. But don't try and aim for doubling your account just because someone on social media can do it as well, or pretend to do it. Obviously you might be able to double your account, but the next week you might just blow it all. So try and aim for consistently getting small wins, as in like small percentages every single month, and build and compound that winning strategy over the years. Because if you do that over the years, you've got a stronger chance of being a consistently profitable trader. So I hope you've enjoyed the video today. If you did, remember to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.